Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on HP Compaq 250. To do it, just click on a keyboard shortcut, which I'm gonna show you, Windows, Shift and S at the same time, and it will open this snipping tool. Now you can select whether you want to screenshot or screen record, and in screenshot mode you can select a rectangle, window, full screen or freeform, and I'm gonna show you all of those. So the rectangle one, you can just draw a rectangle that you want to screenshot and it will screenshot it. Then you can click on the notification. If you don't click on it, then it will also be saved to your clipboard, so you can just paste it wherever you want. To paste something, just click on Ctrl and V at the same time, or right click on the place you want to paste it in, then click on paste. But you can instead draw something on that, or you can also click here to save it as a file, although it will also be saved anyway to the OneDrive pictures screenshots in your drive. So you'll be able to find it anyway, so you don't have to save it because it's copied. And also when you go to the file explorer, then you can see that it can go to your OneDrive here, then to pictures, screenshots, and here it is. But now let's skip that. And I'm gonna do the window screenshot. So when I have the Microsoft Edge opened, I can click on Windows Shift S on my keyboard, and then select the window screenshot, and then hover over the window I want to screenshot and click on it, and now it's screenshotted. Then I'm gonna show you the full screen. So the full screen will be like that. You just click on full screen and it screenshots immediately. And the freeform, which I don't find really useful, but maybe you will, is here, and you can just draw the shape you want to screenshot and it will screenshot it in this exact shape. And you can also screen record. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.